Yo, Wagwan family, you're tuned into another episode of Food with Rue, you feel me? Now listen, today we're making another Jamaican staple, you feel me? And we're just gonna keep it all the way real, keep it all the way classic with this one. Matter of fact, this one is one of my sister's favorites. We're talking about Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Yeah man, that's right, Mr. Cornmeal porridge. If you don't know what it is, watch, listen and learn, baby. Let's go. I said, let's go.
Come to Jamaica, go jam good food. Yeah, man, I got beach.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we sell.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want you to want me.
Whoa.
Like I want you. I need you to need me.
You gotta try it. It feels good.
I want you to want me. Like I want you. Need me. Like I need you, baby.
All right, thanks for joining me. We're making cornmeal porridge. Let's start off by getting our cornmeal. All right, throw that on in. Let's get us some coconut milk. All right, that's all I need. Let's check out. Joe, my baby today looks nice and clean, don't it? All right, so anyways, we're going to bring our water to a boil. But while we're bringing it to a boil, we're going to go ahead and kick it off with some nutmeg. Don't be stingy with it. Now go ahead and drop in a little bit of cinnamon. Very important. These are key items right here, y'all. All right. So next, we're going to go ahead and put our cornmeal in a separate bowl. Get some water going, about 2 cups. Stir it up real good. Let's get it going. Next, I like to use raw honey instead of sugar. Much healthier. You know the rest like to stay up on the healthy tip. You see me? Yeah, man. Alright, that's good enough. Now let's go ahead and stir it in. Alright, the water's coming to a boil. Drop our cornmeal in there and our honey. Mix with that cinnamon and that nutmeg. Bring it all to a boil. Now this is really important. Gotta pay attention. Stir it up real good and keep stirring until everything comes back to a boil. It seems real easy, but it's real easy to mess up a good pot of cornmeal porridge. Trust me. Alright, now once again on the healthier tip, we're going to use a butter alternative. A little bit pricey, but you can use regular butter. Drop our coconut milk in there. Alright, stir that up real good. Keep it stirring. Don't want any lumps. Go ahead and drop about a tablespoon worth of vanilla in there. Alright, that's good. Then we're going to go ahead. We're going to get us about a cup of milk. Alright, let's check our consistency. Not quite. Stir it up. Stir it up. Little darling, stir. Alright. I like it. I like it. One more test. There it is. Yes, sir. Now we're ready for breakfast, y'all. Nice, creamy, smooth cornmeal porridge. Man, make sure you like, share, and most importantly, subscribe, y'all. One love. Hey, and if you like what you see, support with a cash app. Yeah, man.